Hey guys, if your house has one or more floors, then I'm sure you've noticed that your wireless network will sometimes struggle to reach other areas of your home. We call these areas wireless dead zones. A solution to this problem could be adding a wireless repeater, but traditional wireless repeaters can be bulky and difficult to set up. That's why we created this wall-mounted wireless range extender, making it easier to set up and easier to deploy to rapidly get the rest of your home or office network connected. With 300 megabit per second wireless speeds, the wall-mounted range extender is more than fast enough to accommodate the vast majority of home or office tasks and powerful enough to reach the furthest corners of your home. With its range extender button, setting it up is incredibly easy to do. Simply press the WPS button on your router, followed by the RE button on the range extender, and you're done. In case you don't have a WPS enabled router, you can always use the extender's easy to set up web management GUI. The 850 is designed to be plugged in directly to a wall outlet, meaning that it can be optimally located in between your router and anywhere in your home or office with reduced coverage. Using the 850's LEDs, you can see how strong your signal is from your router. So you can use this to find the best location to plug in your extender to get the best signal possible. Easy to set up, easy to use. Put an end to wireless dead zones with TP-Link's wall-mounted wireless range extender.
TP-Link's Powerline Wi-Fi range extender uses your home's existing electrical wiring to transmit network data, so you can enjoy internet wherever there's an outlet. It's incredibly easy to use. First, plug the 4010 into the wall socket and connect it to the router via Ethernet cable. Second, plug the other 4220 in anywhere you want an internet connection. That's it. Just plug it in and play. With the Wi-Fi clone button, all you need to do is push the WPS button on the router, followed by the Wi-Fi clone button on the adapter, to create a unified home wireless network. This means you don't have to jump from hotspot to hotspot like you would in a traditional network. Whether it's your basement, garage, or loft, anywhere formerly with weak Wi-Fi or no internet connection can now enjoy Wi-Fi at speeds of up to 300 megabits per second. All of your tablets, phones, or laptops will enjoy seamless Wi-Fi across your entire home. Since this network signal is transmitted through home wiring without the interference of other wireless signals, obstacles like walls or long distances, the adapter's Wi-Fi performance is guaranteed. With 2 Ethernet ports, you can connect your TVs or game consoles to enjoy HD video and online gaming at 500 megabits per second. You can also ensure your home power line security just by pressing the pair button on both adapters. This will make sure that your data is safe and sound. TP-Link's Powerline Wi-Fi range extender. Easy, safe, and reliable.